thing off with a package, and I'll get to the rest of these letters. Sorcery soap, Jesus Christ. Sorcery soap. Two of my favorite things. Fantasy fans and fucking homemade soaps. Gonna be made out of like slug penis or something. A soap designed by man, created for men. It doesn't say by a man. It says a soap designed by man, which is probably technically correct. Created for men. Hi James, this is B from Sorcery Soap. Now this is definitely a woman named B, and the handwriting is far too neat. This is B from Sorcery Soap. My guy Jeff watches you and regularly says, honey, watch this. What a good guy. What a great husband. I'm influenced by him, hence these soaps, and now by you. He told me men of Sparta would be proud to use these, so he thought you might enjoy them. 2 Malone Labe soaps, come and take them. That's pretty funny. Thanks for your great sense of humor, B and Jeff. Lens, I'm finishing up mailroom. I just got Sparta soap, Malone Labe soap. Gosh, it smells good. Let's have a look here. Scent is chaos to order. And look at that. There you go. How perfect for the gun community. Malone Labe and everything. Nothing says that I will fiercely resist oppression like a minty green soap with a Spartan helmet on it. Jeff, B, you guys can enter my hot gates anytime. Thanks a ton, guys, as usual, for writing into TFB TV. Thank you to our Patreon and Subscribe Star supporters. Thank you to all of you who watch this, the least popular series that we have on TFB TV. See ya up in Maine.